Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. Mr. M.L. Verma, the learned senior advocate primarily made following threefold submissions before us. Full stop. His first submission was that the interest, which was payable pursuant to the orders of this court on the extra amount taken and received by the respondent in terms of the interim orders of this court is payable till the date when extra money taken by the respondent was refunded, but instead the respondent coal company has computed the said interest only till 30/4/2008 and not till 28/6/2008, when the aforesaid extra money taken by them was actually refunded. Full stop. His second submission was that the respondent company has also not paid to the applicants the entire interest that the actually accrued on the fixed deposit receipt which was deposited on the account of the applicants. Full stop. It is next submitted by him that the writ petition of the applicants registered as writ petition number 6629 of 2005 is still pending disposal in the High Court of Judicature, Bombay, Nagpur bench, and the said High Court did not take up the writ petition for final disposal, as the issue with regard to excess amount over the above notified price paid prior to passing of the order dated 4/7/2005, that is from the date on which e-auction scheme came to the existence is pending consideration before this court. Full stop. He further submitted that since now this court has disposed of the said issue, there should be a discretion to the concerned High Court to the dispose of the aforesaid writ petition as expeditiously as possible. Full stop. Para. Mr. Anup Mishra, the learned counsel appearing for the coal company during the course of his submission, submitted that they have paid the amount which became refundable to all the claimants who are entitled to receive it, inclusive of interest in fixed deposit calculated up to 30/4/2008, as the fixed deposit receipts were time bound and, therefore, a fixed date was taken for calculation of the interest, which was 30/4/2008. Full stop. He also submitted that whatever interest is due and payable to the applicants have already been paid, while refunding the amount due and payable to the applicants. Full stop. The further submitted that the coal company has no objection if a direction is issued to the Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench for early disposal of the aforesaid writ petition. Full stop. According to him, the issues raised in the said writ petition would now be governed and covered by the decision of this court. Full stop. Para. While considering the aforesaid submissions in the light of the pleadings of the parties, we find that the area of controversy and the dispute between the parties as highlighted in the present application, lie in a very narrow compass. For during the course of arguments, Mr. Mishra, learned counsel for the respondent coal company, has fairly stated that the coal company cannot have any objection to pay the interest accrued on the amount payable to be computed up to 28/6/2008, when the amount came to be actually refunded to the applicants. Full stop over.